Hello, so what we got today? Star Wars StarFighter Workshop. We're going to be able to build an X-Wing and a TIE Fighter, have a little dogfight with them. It comes with an activity book as well. So this is your measurement sizes for them, so actually quite large. You can buy it from Waterstones for $19.99, or you can do what I do, which is went to Tesco's and get it for £7. In the book, left hand side, we have this StarFighter Workshop story and puzzle book, so multiple pages in here of different puzzles and things you can do if you like that type of thing. What we're interested in, bear with me if I find it. So the instructions to actually build your models are in this book as well. Pieces are here on the right hand side in these pop out cards. Now I'm led to believe that you don't actually need any utensils whatsoever. These are all pop outs, all the folds are already creased for you. So what we're going to do is try and give these a build. So today we're going to build the X-Wing. Next video we'll build the TIE Fighter. So wish me luck. Let's do this. Here we go. Plastic sheath. So we have to press out all the pieces from the foam board for the X-Wing. You should have 26 pieces in total, and carefully fold each piece on the fold lines ready for slotting. So let's pop these out. Then this one. Just checking. Okay, yeah, so the TIE Fighter ones are on a different colour. Let's put that piece back in, we don't want that one. Okay, so let's pop all these out. This is quite hard card actually, almost foam-like. It's got quite a bit of thickness to it as well. Let's put these over there. So what we need to do first, step 2. So step 1, pop everything out. Step 2, fold the 4 engine pieces. So start that, no. Yes, engines. What do the, okay, these are the engine. Why are they grey? Okay, so the grey is going to end up going on top, I assume. Yeah. So what you can see is on each of them they have these creases, so that's where you have to fold. I'm assuming. Bear with me, this could take a while. So like magic, everything's folded now. Just to point out, these folds aren't actually as easy as they might make out. There's actually a casualty whilst folding these. Hopefully it's not going to make much difference. I'd probably recommend maybe not going over with a pair of scissors, maybe a ruler, just to score out the lines a little bit. Hopefully that might help with the folds. So we'll go back to step 2. So we have to fold the 4 engine pieces into tubes, fixing the tabs into the corresponding slots. So we're going to fold these into tubes. So if we kind of so one engine goes on the top and one engine goes on the bottom, like such. Then you get the other wing, and then you do the opposite. So on this one, it's an engine. Yes, yeah. So engine on top on this one, and engine underneath on that one. Like so. Cool. Then use these pieces to cover the engine So clips in there. Rear fuselage. It's this one. Fold the rear fuselage piece around itself and secure tabs in slots. So, tabs in slots. It's taking shape. Very exciting. If you wish to hang the X-Wing, you will need to pop out the holes on the top of the thread wire before moving. Okay. So, these little holes here, we can get the camera to focus in. So, hole here and hole here. You'll need to pop those out if you want to hang it. I don't want to hang it, so we won't pop those out. Okay, this looks like it gets crazy. Black's on top like this. So this one's gonna go put them together first. Oh, looks incredible. So here we are, so finally got it in to where it needs to be, in the right location and the right orientation. I assume so. Yes, I know. So once it's like that, piece C is going to go into the back around piece C. So this is just going to provide the support. For the fuselage. Okay, so interestingly, the picture down here shows the front of the ship on it. However, you don't actually have that piece on, bizarrely, until over here. Not sure why that's there, it's kind of confusing me. So, these two bits come together. Not quite sure how. Fold the top of flap D on the rear fuselage down. Down. And salt the fuselage. Wait, is that going like that? That pops in on the underneath. It's in. A little bit of force required. It's a shame it doesn't quite line up on that side. Not sure if that's my folding or not. So that's that bit. one completed X-Wing. Probably fall to pieces the minute it went into space based on my construction abilities, but at least there it is, all finished, ready to take on the Empire. Bingo, all done. Okay guys, that's the X-Wing all finished. A lot harder than it looks on the instruction manual, but at least it's done now, ready to go and attack the Death Star. Tune in next time where we'll be building the TIE Fighter. Looks much easier. Thanks for watching.